I honestly wasn't expecting this. Today, I'm putting the Dolphin Nautilus CC into a real pool and letting this little robot do what it was made to do. No fancy setup, no complicated app. Just drop it in, turn it on, and let's see what happens. The Nautilus CC is one of those pool cleaners that looks pretty simple. It doesn't have all the crazy smart features you'll find on expensive robotic cleaners, and that's actually part of the appeal. You're basically looking at a plug-in robot with an active scrubbing brush, a large filter basket, and enough cable for pools up to around 33 feet long. So, how good is it? Let's start with the stuff sitting on the bottom. Leaves, dirt, little pieces of debris, pollen, you name it. And this is where the Nautilus CC really impressed me. That filter basket is surprisingly large and it grabs some pretty chunky stuff without immediately filling up. But what really caught my attention was the fine mesh around the basket. So while the big stuff gets picked up, the smaller junk doesn't simply get pushed around the pool. Now here's the part I really wanted to see. The walls. The Nautilus CC can climb the pool walls, which is a big deal because plenty of basic pool robots are perfectly happy staying on the floor. And watching this thing crawl up the side is actually pretty satisfying. But there is a catch. It doesn't reliably clean every inch of the waterline, and if your pool has stairs or a tanning ledge, don't expect it to magically conquer every corner. Still, for a cleaner in this price range, that's not a deal breaker for me. The whole cleaning cycle takes roughly 2 hours. When it's finished, you simply pull it out, open the top, dump the debris, rinse the filter, and you're ready to go again. No complicated programming, no phone required. And honestly, that's what makes the Nautilus CC interesting. It isn't trying to be the smartest pool robot on the market. It's trying to be the robot you drop in the pool, press a button, and forget about for a couple of hours. So after seeing what it can actually do, would I recommend the Dolphin Nautilus CC? If you want advanced navigation, Wi-Fi, app controls, full waterline coverage, or cordless operation, I'd look higher up the range. But if you simply want a dependable robot that can scrub the floor, climb the walls, and swallow a surprising amount of debris without spending a fortune, the Dolphin Nautilus CC absolutely deserves a look. And after this test, yeah, I finally understand why people keep buying this thing.